Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by checking the box and remote so you don't troubleshoot the wrong problem. First, make sure the Jio Set Top Box is powered and paired to the remote, then open Settings. Once inside, navigate to Device Settings or Sound and Input. This is where the remote key tones or beeps live. Make sure you can see firmware info because some options vary by version. If you see remote or input options, select that now to reveal the actionable controls. You now focus on the specific toggle that controls the beep. Within remote or sound settings, look for key tone, remote sounds, or button feedback. Once found, switch it off and confirm. The change usually applies immediately. If the option is nested, use Advanced or Accessibility submenus. Some firmware relocates it. Make sure to press OK and watch for an on-screen confirmation. If nothing changes, reboot the SDB to force settings to You finish by rebooting the box and testing multiple buttons to confirm the beep is gone. If you still hear sound, repair the remote and replace batteries because low power can cause weird feedback. If that fails, check for a firmware update or perform a settings reset. Make sure to note custom channel lists first. One key troubleshooting tip: if there's no key tone option, use repairing and a factory reset before contacting support. That resolves most stubborn cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.